Promise Technology is excited to introduce the latest addition to the VTrak line of rich media products for professional creators, the VTrak N-Series. The VTrak N-Series is purpose-built for collaborative 4K, 8K video post-production with features that enable rapid file transfers, file sharing, and management with your team of content creators, editors, and production artists. VTrak N-1008 and VTrak N-1616 high-performance NAS storage systems merge proprietary technology exclusive to Promise and hardware features that significantly enhance data transfer speed and data handling efficiency. Ultimately, this means greater productivity and time saving for the users. VTrak 1008 includes NVMe non-volatile memory express, SSD caching, rated at 4.2 GB read and 2 GB write throughput, combined with network interface options that include 4x10G base T, 4x10G SFP+, or 2x25G SFP28. VTrak N-1616 uses SSD and HDD combination with Promise Tier Boost data tiering that provides up to 6 GB read and 3 GB write throughput, and is likewise combined with network interface options that include 8x10G base T, 8x10G SFP+, or 4x25G SFP28. Tier Boost data tiering, available on the VTrak N-1616, is a technique for placing less frequently used data to less expensive, slower levels of storage or tiers, while data with high frequency of use is placed in the fastest tier. The method uses a combination of SSD and HDD, assigning the hot data accessed most frequently to the SSD drives, while placing colder, less frequently used data on the HDD drives. The end result is data handling efficiency that further enhances productivity and saves time. Since productivity and time saving are a key selling point for the VTrak N-Series systems, they were designed for simplicity of use with low administration costs. An IT staff is not required to set up, manage, or use these systems. Workstations can be connected through a switched network or connected directly to the network ports. VTrak N-Series storage systems are shipped ready to use. A software utility, Promise Utility Pro, is installed on client systems to enable mounting, shared storage, and sharing files over the network connection. Promise Utility Pro also includes convenient backup mechanisms to remote storage or cloud storage. More advanced administration features can be done using a web management interface called WebPAM Insight. VTrak N-Series is ideal for collaborative workflow features of Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and Autodesk Flame. Promise customers who are already familiar with VTrak will know that the Promise RAID engine is extremely robust and stable. The VTrak N-Series includes decades of know-how and rich media specialization the brand has become known for. In future videos, we will demonstrate how easy the VTrak N-Series is to set up and use.